Okay, so we have a new product for unboxing, Sony ULTWEAR sound. So it has, let's say, a black color with 50 hours battery life, and it has some specification. It has like a case, then headphone cable, Type C cable, has some bunch of functions here. Let's try to unbox. Okay, here we go. Open from here. Oh, beautiful, huh? So it has application information, some functions here. These two boxes, then we have this bag for it. Here we go. Okay, so what it comes in a bag? We have a really high quality headset. We have this aux cable, then we have a Type C cable, types to USB, US. Okay, card thing. So there's a bag. So these are the things we have.